one of the things I am passionate about is connecting my investors with off-market deals. We wholesale deals. If you have a deal I'm also able to buy it from you. So that's what I do, looking for active investors. And then I'm also interested in starting investing for myself, fix and flipping, and just getting more knowledge from everyone here to start doing it myself. Since I do sell them and buy them, it all makes sense, right? You got a question?
No, sorry.
And so we're all over Southern California, LA County to San Diego County to the IE. Also, we just opened an office in Walnut Creek, San Diego. We also have access to Texas. We opened 2 offices in Texas, Austin and Houston. And yep, so just reach out to me and I can get you all connected with our properties. So I pretty much just add you to the list and you start receiving our inventory.
How
It's super
do
simple.
we
It takes
reach
10 minutes.
out to you?
I'm sorry?
How do we reach out to you?
Okay, you can reach out to me. My personal cell phone number is 562-500-1281, or you could email me at bella@ftreca.com as well. And just reach out to me, text. I answer all day long.
I will say they get really good deals. I've funded probably our company alone hundreds of deals for them. So that's how actually I came here was because of Bella. If you guys are looking for a good deal, they are it for sure.
And I do have to say, about 90% of our investors are repeated investors and go to Easy Street because they're able to close in 48 hours?
Yeah.
Yeah, no jump fees. Yes. So definitely talk to her, yes.